Success is not built on motivation, it is built on habits. Let me tell you a story. In 1978, a young man named Sylvester Stallone had only $106 in his bank account. He was rejected over 1,500 times by Hollywood agents. Broke, sleeping under the bus station, he could have just quit. But every single day, Stallone kept one habit. He wrote page after page, script after script, rejection after rejection. That habit became Rocky. The film went on to win 3 Oscars, launch a billion-dollar franchise, and turn Stallone into a legend. And here's the truth, it was not talent alone that made Stallone successful, it was his habits. And in this video, I will break down 15 success habits inspired by James Clear Atomic Habits, proven research, and the routine of world-class achievers that you can apply today to transform your own life. Stick around until the end because I will share the most underrated habit Warren Buffett swears by and almost nobody talks about. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Hari, your favorite data guy. On this channel, I talk about personal finance, statistics, and talk about data-backed habits that have made millionaires and billionaires. So stick around and subscribe to this channel if you are new to this channel, and let's get started. So habit number 1, the 1% rule. James Clear says habits are the compounding interest of self-improvement. Just improve 1% a day and in a year you will be 37 times better. And let me prove you by the story. You can consider it as a data point. So the British cyclist team was once called the laughing stock of the cycling. They hadn't won even one Tour de France over 100 years. Then coach Dave Brailsford applied marginal gains, tiny 1% improvement in seat comfort, uniforms, diet, even pillow quality. Within 5 years, they won 5 Tour de France titles and dominated the Olympics. Success doesn't come from one giant leap. It is the snowball effect of small repeated wins. Habit 2, environment is more than motivation. How? Motivation fades, but environment lasts. James Clear said in his book that you do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. And here's the story to prove that. Steve Jobs was famous for wearing the same black turtleneck every day. Not because he lacked style, but because he removed decision from his environment. By eliminating trivial choices, he saved energy for innovation. If you want to eat healthy, don't buy cookies. If you want to read more, leave books on your nightstand. Save the environment and habits will naturally follow. Habit 3, the 2-minute rule. Now, when you start a new habit, it should take less than 2 minutes to do. James Clear have said in his book that if you want to start a new habit, it should take less than 2 minutes to do it. So want to exercise? Just put on running shoes. Want to write? Open the doc and write one sentence. And here's the story as a proof. Jerry Seinfeld became one of the world's richest comedian not by waiting for inspiration, but by writing one joke a day. He tracked progress with a calendar and build a chain of consistency. Start small but stay consistent. The 2-minute rule removes friction and get you moving. Habit 4, track. Don't just try. What gets measured gets managed. Warren Buffett says, the chain of habits are too little to be felt until it's too heavy to be broken. And let me back this statement with a story. A young entrepreneur named Benjamin Franklin, yes, the founding father, tracked 13 personal virtues in a notebook every single day. He didn't try to be perfect. He just tracked the habits, and it made him one of the most disciplined leaders in the history. Whether it's calories, workouts, or savings, tracking turns invisible progress into visible momentum. Habit number 5, identity is bigger than outcomes. Don't just chase goals, build identity. James Clear have said the ultimate form of intrinsic motivation is when a habit becomes a part of your identity. And for your reference, Muhammad Ali didn't just say, I want to be a champion. He declared, I am the greatest, even before he became number 1. His identity pulled his action towards success. Instead of, I want to quit smoking, say, I am not a smoker. Instead of, I want to get rich, say, I am an investor. Your action follows who you believe you are. Habit 6. Majestic, boring consistency. World-class performers are not the most motivated. They are the most consistent. And let me back this up with a story. Kobe Bryant was once asked why he spent hours practicing the basic dribbling drills even as an NBA champion. He replied, "Why do you think I am the best? Because I have never get bored with the basics." Habits are not sexy. Repetition is boring, but boring consistency creates extraordinary results. Habit 7. Surround yourself with the right people. Jim Rohn have famously said that you are an average of 5 people you spend the most time with. And let me tell you a story to prove it. When Bill Gates and Warren Buffett met first time, they were introduced by Bill's mother. Both were asked, write down one word that explained their success, and they both wrote the same word: focus. Do you know that? Your environment includes people. Spend time with those who raise your standard, and success becomes contagious. Habit 8, and one of my favorite, delayed gratification. The Stanford marshmallow experiment proved it. Kids who delayed gratification became more successful adults. And here's the story to prove it. Jeff Bezos built Amazon by delaying profit for over 14 years. Wall Street laughed at him, and he focused on reinvestment to the company. Today, Amazon is worth over $1 trillion. Successful people don't chase instant results. They delay gratification for exponential profits. Habit 9. Rest and recover. This is the most easy one. Hustle culture says never sleep. Science says sleep is the ultimate performance enhancer. And let me tell you a story to prove it. Ariana Huffington collapsed from exhaustion in 2007, broke her cheekbones, and realized that success without well-being is a failure. She later built Thrive Global to teach leaders the power of rest. And James Clear have said as well, when you rest, you are not quitting, you are preparing. Sleep, breaks, and downtime are not luxuries. They are part of the success system. And here come habit number 10, lifelong learning. Charlie Munger have famously said, go to bed smarter than when you woke up. And Warren Buffett spent 5+ hours a day reading, just reading books. And here's the story to prove it. Elon Musk taught himself rocket science by reading textbooks and asking engineers questions. That habit built SpaceX, now a $180 billion company. Success leaves clues, and they are found in books, mentors, and curiosity. If you keep learning, you keep growing. And with that, here comes habit 11, habit stacking. Yes, you heard me right. James Clear called it habit stacking. Attach one habit to an old one. For example, after I brush my teeth, I try to meditate for 1 minute, and that worked out. And let me tell you a story about Oprah Winfrey. Starts her day with meditation immediately after brushing her teeth. That tiny stack grounds her mindset before diving into billion-dollar decisions. Habit stacking removes friction. Your brain doesn't need to remember because it's linked to something automatic. And here is habit 12, systems over willpower. Willpower can be weak, but systems are strong. And here's the story to back it. Jeff Bezos didn't build Amazon by willpower alone. He built systems. Prime, logistics, AWS systems made Amazon unstoppable. Your system might be meal prepping on Sundays, automating savings, or scheduling workouts. Success flows when systems carries you, not willpower. Habit 13, reflection and review. High achievers do not just grind, they review everything, every single detail. At the end of each week, Benjamin Franklin asked himself that what good did I do today? That reflection made him one of the most disciplined men in the history. And the recent example can be Satya Nadella, Microsoft CEO. He also tracks his reflection and says, reflection locks in lessons. Without it, you repeat mistakes. And here is habit 14th, giving and mentorship. And this is the crucial part of wealthy life. Success is not just what you achieve, it is what you share. And here's the story by Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett mentored Bill Gates. Bill Gates credits Buffett for teaching him focus and philanthropy. Today, the Gates Foundation has donated $59 billion to global health. Research shows that giving increases happiness, longevity, and even productivity. Success just multiplies when you lift others along with yourself. And here's the last habit, vision plus execution. Dream big and act small. So let me tell you a story that Walt Disney envisioned Disneyland when it was just a swampland in California. People laughed, but he combined vision with daily execution, raising funds, refining ideas, pushing through bankruptcy. Today, Disney is worth over $200 billion. So vision without execution is fantasy. Execution without vision is just busyness. Combine them together and you shape reality. So here's the truth. Success is not a lightning strike. It is a fire built from small sparks of daily habits. From Stalin's stacking habits to Disney turning vision into reality. Every success story is built on daily disciplines. Stalin wrote every day. Kobe practiced the basics. Buffett read obsessively. Habits build identity. Identity build destiny. James Clear wrote in his book, "You do not rise to the level of your goal, you fall to the level of your systems." So build systems, build habits, and success will build itself. With that, I conclude this video. But don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that we can meet again and I can ask you which habit you have learned so far. Tell me in the comments and I will wait for your answers. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.